When you picture an RV, you probably imagine something basic, a cramped way to travel. But there's a world where RVs rival five-star hotels, blurring the line between vehicle and mansion. These are rolling palaces for billionaires and celebrities, packed with features you'd expect in a luxury penthouse. Think hidden garages for supercars, rooftop terraces with bars, heated marble floors, and master suites bigger than city apartments. This is the peak of automotive engineering fused with bespoke luxury. No compromises, just the freedom of the open road with every comfort imaginable. Today we're counting down the top 10 most expensive, mind-blowing motorhomes on the planet. Get ready to have your mind blown. Welcome to NeoFactX, where luxury meets logic. Number 10 is the SLRV Commander 8x8, a military-grade beast built for any terrain. It's got a two-story layout, a master suite, full kitchen, and enough solar power to go off-grid for weeks. The interior is fully customizable, blending rugged capability with high-end luxury, for the adventurer who wants to explore the wild without leaving comfort behind. At number 9, the Newmar King Airy is a private jet for the road. With a 600-horsepower engine and a digital cockpit, it's all about first-class travel. Inside, you'll find Italian leather, a gourmet kitchen, and a whisper-quiet, spa-like master suite. The King Air is a mobile command center for the modern CEO. Number 8 is the 4Travel IH45, built from the ground up for a smooth, stable ride. Each coach is a one-off with heated tile floors, a motorized king bed, and a spa-inspired bathroom. Owners customize every detail, making each IH45 a rolling work of art. Its bespoke engineering meets super yacht-level luxury. Number 7, the Volkner Mobile Performance S, features a patented central garage for your sports car. The interior is sleek German design, and the roof extends into a sky lounge for entertaining. It's a self-contained luxury ecosystem, perfect for those who want to bring their toys along. The Performance S redefines what a motorhome can be. At number 6, the Prevost H345 VIP is a favorite among celebrities and presidents. Its tall profile allows for massive storage and panoramic views, while the interior rivals a super yacht. Custom conversions include saunas, recording studios, and walk-in closets. The H345 VIP is the ultimate blank canvas for a mobile estate. Number 5, the Millennium H345, takes the Prevost shell and transforms it into a high-tech penthouse. Expect granite countertops, handcrafted cabinetry, and smart home controls for everything. With one tap, you can set the mood for movie night or relax in total comfort. It's luxury living with an ever-changing view. Number 4, the Newell Coach P50 is engineered from scratch for a smooth, responsive ride. Inside, you'll find handcrafted American luxury. Leather, hardwood, and quartz everywhere. The Intrepid dashboard system puts every control at your fingertips. The P50 is understated elegance with world-class engineering. Breaking into the top 3 is The Heat, Will Smith's two-story, 200-square-foot mobile mansion. The roof raises to reveal a second floor, and inside, it's pure Hollywood 14 TVs, a screening room, and a $200,000 kitchen. The master suite and spa bathroom are next level. The Heat is a rolling film set and luxury penthouse in one. Runner-up is the Featherlight Vanterre Platinum Plus, a royal palace on wheels. Italian marble, Swarovski crystal ceilings, and a hidden garage for your sports car set it apart. The master suite features a walk-in closet and even a treadmill. It's pure, unapologetic opulence for the ultra-elite. Number 1 is the Element Palazzo Superior, a futuristic masterpiece with a panoramic windshield and aerodynamic design. Parked, it reveals a sky lounge that rises from the roof, complete with radiant floor heating and integrated furniture. Inside, you'll find a massive master suite and spa bathroom. The Palazzo Superior is the king of all motorhomes, unmatched in price and innovation. There you have it, 10 motorhomes that shatter every expectation. For some, the ultimate luxury isn't a mansion, but the freedom to take your lifestyle anywhere. These rolling palaces prove homes don't need foundations, just fuel. What's next? All electric, even more extravagant RVs? The future is wide open. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. For more luxury science and tech, subscribe to NeoFactX. This is NeoFactX, where luxury meets logic.